So, good evening everyone. My topic is all about General Comment 13 on the Right to Education, Article 13 of the ICESCR. So, this general comment identifies four essential elements of the right to education. So, first is availability, second, accessibility, acceptability, and adaptability. So, first is availability. So, what is availability all about? So, availability is functioning educational institutions and programs have to be available in sufficient quality within the jurisdiction of the state party. What they require to function depends upon numerous factors, including the developmental context within which they operate. So, availability is like availability of the schools that dili sila mag-matter kung unsa kadaghanon ang mga students na mo sulod or mo come sa school, okay? So, second is accessibility. So, accessibility is educational institution and programs have to be accessible to everyone without discrimination within the jurisdiction of the state party. So, accessibility for all na wala gipili bisan Muslim, Catholic, Christians, kung unsa pa ka, amo na siya. So, accessibility has three overlapping dimensions. So, what is this? So, first is non-discrimination. Amo yung ang dili ka mag-discriminate kung unsa man ang religion sa isa ka student or usa ka tao. Then, second is physical accessibility. So, what is physical accessibility? So, physical accessibility is dili ko nagamatter kung siya, kung dili siya kakita na student. So, kibali access yes for all na wala siya gipili. Then, third is economic accessibility. So, economic accessibility is like, bisan pobre, dato, kibali, pwede siya sa isa ka school. So, accessible siya sa everyone. So, third is acceptability. So, what is acceptability? So, the form and substance of education, including curricula and teaching methods. So, have to be acceptable, relevant culturally, appropriate, and of good quality to students and in appropriate cases and parents. So, acceptability. So, acceptable siya. Yes, labi na ang teaching method. So quality siya sa teacher, like that, or something, yeah. Then, last is adaptability. So, what is adaptability? So, education has to be flexible so it can adapt to the needs of changing societies and communities and responds to the needs of students within their diverse social and cultural settings. So, adaptability siya. So, like something na lagi bisan unsa pa na culture pwede siya sa isa ka school. It's because like dili so good pwede na ang school is like naga-discriminate siya sa isa ka students na kay kung pobre ka or like you're not like dili ka kuan kanang bali, for example, like nag-discriminate ka sa isa ka students. So di na nimo siya kay bali i-adopt sa isa ka school. So as a teacher, so we have to be adaptable sa isa ka students, di ba? So kung unsa ang iyang culture, like Muslim, we have to adjust as a teacher. Dili kita ingon na ang students ang mag-adjust sa ato. So kung uno ang iyang istoryahan, we have to learn from it, okay? So yeah, and that's all my report. Thank you.